Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the utility bed from the 1965 Ford F100 service truck kit from Model King. This is going to be an 8-foot utility bed. This will fit other Moibus 68 through 72 Ford truck kits. And if you know how the Model King works, and you know that Dave Burkett is one behind the utility bed, he basically paid for this tooling to be done. And then he works with Moibus to utilize their existing tooling to make a kit. Essentially, he's worked with other manufacturers in the past. Currently, he is working with Moibus models. The nice thing about this utility bed is this really can be used for on a lot of different pickup trucks, not just the 60s era Ford. Realistically, you can use this on a lot of the modern pickup truck kits as well, as this utility bed style really hasn't changed much from the 60s to today. They're pretty much very close in style. And they still basically look the same as they did in the 60s that they do today. So basically that opens up a whole bunch of options for what we can do with this utility bed, or the subjects we can use it on. And one other thing, it would have been interesting to see if Model King Moibus does this as a separate kit. I can imagine it would probably sell pretty good for a lot of the folks like me that don't really want the 60s era Ford truck kit but want the service bed or the utility bed, because I would have jumped on the single utility bed kit myself personally. Be interesting to see if they do actually go down that road. I doubt it, but again, as an option, I think they should, because I bet you they could sell a bunch of them without the Ford truck kit. So with that, let's jump into it. And let's check it out. Getting started is going to be the one of the two parts trees. First up will be the floor, front and rear front bulkhead, rear section piece, parts tree. Anyway, there's the floor. You have the step bumper as well, all beaver tailed, if you will. And the front bulkhead and the rear piece there. And the little tailgate there. And now we have the sides, the outer sides and the inner sides. First off, the outer side. And then it'll be on the inside pieces. Turn it over as wheel wells there. So that is about do it for this look at the utility bed from the 65 Ford F100 service truck kit from the Model King. I'll take a look at the instruction sheet real quick. In my opinion, this would have been the perfect item to sell as a separate piece. Maybe they'll consider that now that the kit is out. Maybe come back and sell the utility bed as a separate kit. I know I would personally would have loved that, because I would have just bought the service bed myself, the utility bed myself. We don't have any use for the 65 Ford, because this utility bed will fit on pretty much any modern pickup truck that's single wheel drive, single wheel drive. You know, obviously not dualies. It's not meant for a dually. So there you go, folks. That is the utility bed from the Model King. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.